So me and Kishae decided to do a collab, and I'm so excited about this. This box came in the mail yesterday, so opening it today. We decided we would pick a few things for each other and send them in the mail. So I sent her a box, and I can't wait for you guys to go see it. So her channel's linked below with her video. Goodness, the first thing I see is the new Hachi series. I wanted to get one, but I haven't yet. Mofusan beans, what? And pop beans. I've been wanting some of these. And Disney, girl, you know me. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let me just take it all out and then we can look. There's a note. How sweet. Oh, look at this cute capybara pouch. This will be perfect for stickers. And I think this is an air freshener. It's cute. Ooh, and a little mellow pad. Let's check it out. Cute little beans. I like the colors. Oh, and look, Molly stickers. These are cute. Be good for my journaling. Okay, let's open the Mofusan beans. I'm excited about these. I don't have anything Mofusan. Let's see. Which ones do we want? Let's see. Okay, which one is it? Oh, it's a tomato. This is what I wanted, I think. So cute. Very detailed. The stuff's in the way. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's look at the second one. Oh my goodness. His head is red. Are these ones I wanted? Yeah, these are ones I wanted. I got two I wanted. Awesome! Okay, number 3. Oh, the strawberry! Oh my goodness! Oh, so cute. Also one I wanted, right? Yeah, one I wanted! Woohoo! So excited. Oh, they're so cute sitting there. Okay, last one. Oh, another toast one. This one's hilarious. Okay, time for the pop beans. Oh wait, no, sorry. Just kidding. I'm gonna open this Disney 100. Oh wait, let's see. Who do I want? Let's see who's my options. Oh, I would love Elsa the most. Also Maya would be great. And the Zootopia figures. It's a pretty box, by the way. Oh, a strawberry. That seems like it's Lotso. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be Lotso. I don't know why with these Disney boxes, I always seem to get Lotso. He loves me, I guess. Ooh, the card's cute. Oh, oops. Didn't open it all the way. if you put in a dessert, like a little dessert. I don't know what those are called. Toothpick thing. Okay, I'm gonna put it together. Yeah, he looks really cute in this. The color is muted, like not his normal colors. I really like him. Even though he's not my favorite, this figure is really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we'll do the pop beans. Oh, there's so many I want. Let's look. I definitely want Hachi Poo Poo because he's my favorite. Sweet Bean. Demoo. Zaga. Miura. Wait, I don't think that's her name. Sorry, I'm saying it wrong. Okay, let's see which ones we get. Oh, there's 5 in here. That's awesome. Oh, oh my goodness, I can't think of his name right now, but he's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's a little guy. Beatles, there we go. Oh, why we got you Poo Poo? Oh my goodness, I just want to squeeze him tight. Precious. Okay, look at the oh, his little teeth are so cute. Oh, preciousness right there, precious. And who's gonna be in our last one? Oh, I can't think of her name, but she's so cute. Let's look who it is. It's Nori. Oh, how cute. She's adorable. And finally, Hachi Poo Poo. There's only a few in this one I actually want. This was not my favorite set, but there is a few cute ones. Let's see. The apple one, definitely. And... oh, sorry, you couldn't see that. The rabbit and this cute little clown. And that's probably it. So let's see if we got any of those or anything else. The art's adorable on the box. And this feels really light. I don't remember Hachi Poo Poo figures feeling this light. Oh, this is not what I wanted, but he is cute. I love the hair. And there's little details on his outfit that make it look like dirty, like on the bottom. He is the dreamer. Or sweet dreams. Just kidding, he's the heart stealer. Let's put everything together. Yeah, he comes with a stand and a bag of hearts, it looks like. Because he stole all of our hearts because he's so cute. Very fitting. Okay. Here he is. Look at him. He's adorable. And he has like a little tattoo of something on his nose. It looks like a little barcode, but I can't really tell. Oh, okay. I'm going to have to find that. Hold on. Okay, I got it. And there he is. Here's everything I got from Kishae. This was such a fun collab. Thank you so much, girl, for doing this with me. I appreciate it.